Checking if your WhatsApp account is currently logged into an unauthorized laptop, tablet, or secondary phone takes less than 30 seconds, and you can instantly revoke access right from your mobile device. First, open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone. Look at the bottom right corner of your screen where it says Settings with the small profile icon. Or if you are using an Android device, tap the three vertical dots located in the top right corner. From here, scroll down slightly and select the option labeled Linked Devices. This screen displays every active session associated with your phone number, including web browsers, desktop apps, and secondary mobile screens. If this list is completely blank, that means your primary phone is the only active device with access to your account. However, if you see a list of browsers like Chrome or Safari, or operating systems like Windows or Mac, those specific setups currently have full access to your chat history, media, and contact list. In my case, I can see an active session from a Windows desktop that was synced a few hours ago. The important thing is to regularly audit this list so you know exactly who can view your private messages. To remove any session, simply tap directly on the device name listed on your screen. A small window will pop up showing the last active location or timestamp, along with a prominent red button labeled Log Out. Tap that button immediately, and WhatsApp will instantly terminate that connection, forcing the external browser or desktop client back to the initial setup screen. Now, that goes both ways. When you choose to log out of a session for security reasons, you also lose the convenience of answering messages quickly from your computer keyboard. You will have to physically scan the QR code on your monitor again the next time you want to use WhatsApp Web. Furthermore, if you suspect an unknown person logged into your account without permission, simply logging them out might only be a temporary fix if they have access to your phone or verification codes. The extra step here is to enable two-step verification inside your account privacy settings so no one can link a new screen without entering a personal six-digit PIN. Once you have checked each active session and manually tapped logout on any suspicious or unused connection, you can safely back out of this menu by tapping the back arrow in the top left corner. Your account is now completely secured to your primary handset alone. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.